After refluxing a plant material in a solvent, we have to filter the filtrate. This is the plant material we have extracted, filtered, and this is the filtrate. You will now see the setup needed for concentrating the plant extract. The setup is a distillation setup. Take the plant extract in the round bottom flask. Add a boiling bit to make smooth boiling of the liquid. Fix an adapter. It can be a bend like this, or it can also be a still head. To the adapter, now you have to fix the condenser. Before fixing the condenser to the distillation setup, you have to fix the rubber tubes. At the lower end is the inlet, and the upper tube will be the outlet of water. Fix the condenser at the correct level. Attach it to the adapter. After the setup is done, by adjusting the clamp screws, you have to provide the water supply. Use as much minimum water as possible to avoid wastage of water while circulating the water supply inside the condenser. Keep a receiver flask to recover the distilled solvent. Once the setup is ready, you can switch on the power supply. Once the water gets heated up, the solvent will boil and the vapors will condense down the condenser, and you can collect the solvent. This can be stored as the recovered solvent, and you can use it for the next extractions. Now we can see the distillation is in progress. If you want to avoid wastage of water, you can use a setup like this. Keep a bucket on a raised platform and supply the inlet of water. The outlet can be connected to a pinch cock.